Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and it's not often I do reveal videos, but this one was too good not to share. All right, y'all, I really want to show off what I've got here, and it's been with a lot of conversation with BBS. I'm really proud to bring you their brand new BBS Unlimited Wheels. The E30 BMW M3. That is one of the most beautiful BMW cars that is so well loved by so many people, and I believe is the inspiration for the new G87 M2. If you look at it, there's some very similar design language. You kind of have a little more angular quarter panels going down into the doors. You have the flat door handles and a number of other things that really make it stand out. Now, the classic E30 M3 was a Mola red with bright gold BBS wheels from the factory. Now, I had an opportunity to be at the BBS tent at Bimmer Invasion. Make sure to check that video out if you haven't. And right in front was a Toronto red G87 with white gold wheels. And I was just struck. I was absolutely awestruck. All right, guys, I hope you're as excited as I am, and I had a revelation. Now, I was already really excited to potentially put these wheels on my car. I love the new technology, their new unlimited wheels, and this new hub system. If you guys haven't checked it out, the link will be in the video description. Make sure to go and check that out. It is a hub-centric setup, which means you get the right hub for your car and the wheels just go on. The wheels go into the hub itself. So you could carry your wheels between cars. You could move them around if you're doing an upgrade or changing platforms. It really gives you a tremendous amount of options. And in addition, they come in a ton of really cool colors. So for me, I wanted to mimic their gorgeous demo car there at an Invasion, and I got a set of the white gold. I couldn't be more excited to get them on my car, and make sure to check out, I'm gonna have 2 follow-up videos as well. One, I'm gonna make sure to ceramic coat them for sure, because I wanna protect them. And 2, we're gonna get them installed, and I really wanna show off this hub system and how this is gonna work. So please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel, and that way you can make sure to get all of the upcoming content, whether you like BBS wheels, BMW in general, or the new G87. I can't wait to show them off to you, and I'll see you on my next project.